Hello. In this video, I'm going to show how you can use keyframes in CapCut. So first what you want to do is just select the beginning part of the video. First, let's say you want to set a zoom, or it zooms in over time. Basically you would add a keyframe here at the start where it says scale, so stay like this. Then let's say you wanted to zoom in up to this point. So then you would click this on scale again. You would make sure that it's zoomed in like this. Now if you go back, as you can see here, it's zooming in. It's kind of hard to see with this video in particular, but it's zooming in slowly but surely. And then you could do the same thing with position as well. Let's say for some reason you wanted it to start here. You could just set this as a keyframe. And then put another keyframe, and then let's say you wanted to start here. Now the video is gonna move to the right basically. So yeah, it changes the position over time. You could do this with a number of things really. You could do it with rotate, blend, stuff like that. So that's kind of just a very basic tutorial on how you can use the keyframes, but I think it could be very helpful if you want to zoom in and stuff, because it's really not that difficult. It looks difficult at first, but once you get used to it, it's pretty simple. Yeah, that's about it for now. If you're wanting to talk about more related to this, or anything else with CapCut for that matter, let me know. And thanks for watching.